Hi, this is Adriana, and this is step 1 of Mindset 360 training, the pro level with Asia. And in this step, it talks about the trigger cycle. So, a trigger is something that makes us feel uncomfortable. Um, so, these emotional triggers are telling us what aspects of in our life we might feel uncomfortable or unsatisfied. So there are several steps to the cycle, and usually, they are based on our thoughts, on the conversations we already made from when we were children. So, and it reflects when we become adults. And men and women, we always react in a different way, and there are reasons behind that. So what we're going to do here in the pro level is leadership is that we're going to learn how to identify those triggers and being able to reverse engineering. And for everyone is different. We get triggered by different things, and it's how we react to those situations what counts. And we're triggered all the time. And I remember one time I have an example that used to happen to me a lot. I like everything really organized, and if the colors didn't match or how I put the objects in order, or books or paper, whatever, if they would get disorganized, I would get upset. It used to be like that, but not anymore, thank goodness. But anyways, I was taking a workshop with one of my older brothers, and in this workshop I had to design something, so I took my time, and for me it was very pretty and very important and everything. And then my brother borrowed it to learn something that we were working on. And then when he gave it back to me, he had folded that piece of paper. And to me, it was like the end of the world. I got so upset, but not, I didn't get mad like angry. I got sad. I could not believe he would do that to something I took a lot of time working on. So, and for him, it was just a piece of paper. It was nothing else. So, it's a perfect example of something like for some people, they don't see the value, and for me, it was so important. So it was. I got sad. I got upset, and to this day, we laugh about it. But it just goes to show you that anything can trigger us. Okay, so this is about video. This video is part of the video challenge, 100 videos for 100 days. If you would like to find more about the Mindset 360 Pro level, please just click in the link below, and it will take you to the page. Thank you for watching. Bye.